In the beautiful hills of Bagepalli, surrounded by nature's splendor, lies a story of struggle and hope. This is a story of the Right to Live NGO and its mission to bring education to underprivileged students in remote areas of rural Karnataka. For many students in remote areas of rural Karnataka, the dream of getting an education is often out of reach. But we at Right to Live NGO is working tirelessly to change that. By providing scholarships and digital infrastructure, we are ensuring that they have the resources they need to succeed in today's world.
Right to Live.
Our commitment to ensuring a brighter future for these young minds is unrelenting, and we will continue to work tirelessly towards this goal. Together, we are shaping a better tomorrow for our communities and paving the way for a more equitable society.
School digitization program where we try to bring in digital content, digital skills to the children.
ಸ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟವಾಯಿತು. ನನಗೆ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಮಾತಾಡೋದೇ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವ್ರು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಓದಬೇಕು, ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ತಮ ಅಂಕಗಳು ಗಳಿಸಬೇಕು ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ರು. ಇವಾಗ ನನಗಾದರೆ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡೋದು ಅಷ್ಟಾದರೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಷ್ಟು ದಿನ ಆದರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷು. ಇವಾಗ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅವರಿಂದ.
Prioritize hygiene and the well-being of students. These concerted efforts.
This is Venkatesh V. HMGHS Guluru Bagepalli. I cordially thanks for the NGO group Right to Live, which worked in collaboration to improve the quality of the rural government school by providing teaching and learning material, school bags, school toilet rooms, library books, desks, RO plant, digital smart